Ingredients you'll need for this recipe are potatoes, olive oil, ground beef or other ground meat, sweet peppers, onions, garlic, Parmesan or cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, and any other seasonings you prefer. Cut large potatoes into slices or leave small potatoes whole. Drizzle with olive oil and toss to coat. Roast potatoes at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and tender. If using small whole potatoes, smash slightly after roasting. Remove roasted potatoes from the oven, season with salt, pepper, and spices, and top with ground beef mixture. You can always use leftover taco meat, burgers, or steak cut into small pieces. Freshly grate Parmesan or cheddar cheese over top and return to the oven until cheese is melted. Serve warm with your favorite topping like sour cream or salsa. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thanks for watching!